Spectrum's Wi-Fi 7 router uses LED status lights to communicate important information about your network connection. Understanding these light patterns helps you quickly identify what your router is doing and whether everything is working properly. The front panel of your Spectrum router contains a status light that changes color and pattern based on the router's current state. Let's examine each light pattern and what it means. A solid blue light is what you want to see. This indicates that your router has successfully connected to the internet and is operating normally. All systems are functioning properly, and your devices can access the internet. A flashing blue light means your router is either booting up after being powered on, or it's actively attempting to establish a connection to the internet. This is normal during startup and should transition to solid blue once connected. An easing or pulsing blue light indicates that your router is actively working to connect to the internet. This smooth pulsing pattern shows the router is communicating with your internet service provider to establish a stable connection. A solid red light signals a critical error that requires attention. This could indicate hardware failure, faulty cables, or other serious issues preventing the router from functioning properly. This light pattern means immediate troubleshooting is needed. A flashing red light suggests a firmware or connection issue. This pattern can also indicate that something is blocking the router from connecting to the internet, such as network configuration problems or service interruptions. An easing or pulsing red light means the router has some connectivity but lacks management access. This indicates a partial connection where basic functions may work, but full router management and configuration are not available. Flashing red and blue lights indicate that a firmware update is currently in progress. During this process, do not unplug or reset your router, as this could cause permanent damage. The router will restart automatically once the update is complete. These light patterns provide immediate visual feedback about your router's status. Understanding what each pattern means helps you quickly identify whether your network is functioning normally or if action is needed. In the next section, we'll explore how to use these light patterns for troubleshooting common issues. When your Spectrum router shows concerning light patterns, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve most connectivity issues quickly and effectively. Start by examining all cable connections. Ensure Ethernet and power cables are firmly connected to both your router and modem. Loose connections are a common cause of connectivity issues. Next, perform a proper restart sequence. Unplug both your modem and router for at least 60 seconds. This allows the devices to fully power down and clear any temporary issues. If restart doesn't resolve the issue, check for service outages in your area. Spectrum provides real-time outage maps through their website and mobile app to help you determine if the problem is widespread. If issues persist, you may need to reset your router. A soft reboot restarts the router without losing settings, while a factory reset erases all custom configurations, including Wi-Fi names and passwords. Proper router placement significantly impacts performance. Position your router in a central, open location on a raised surface. Avoid enclosed spaces like media centers and keep it away from other wireless devices that may cause interference. Spectrum Wi-Fi pods extend your network coverage and have their own LED status indicators. Understanding these lights helps you monitor your extended network's health and identify any connectivity issues with the pods. For complex issues that persist after troubleshooting, Spectrum provides 24/7 technical support through multiple channels. Their trained technicians can diagnose advanced problems and provide specialized solutions for your specific situation.